Hey yo, yellow, dancehall bomb, bang.
Hey, what am I dealing with? Lex to the complex representing for dancehall bomb. Oh damn, dancehall bomb. One to them, baddest thing in a dancehall.
Yeah man people, you don't know now. The Maroon Emperor now. 7-star Horus Lewis LB representing for dancehall bomb. You know the number one in our stand. Surfer, ever the man, dancehall bomb.
Alisa Epa represent for dancehall bomb. Hear me a stand a dancehall bomb, it's sticky pan them.
Greetings, Earthlings. Welcome to another episode of DanceHall Bomb. If you're not yet a member of this fraternity, please like, subscribe, share this channel, turn on your notification post. Whenever I upload the next episode, you will be notified. Now, in today's episode, we have a few topics to discuss, a few articles to review, a few voice notes to review. These are the stories. Earthlings, in today's episode of DanceHall Bomb, we have Mavado, international superstar, being featured as fans beat him left and right with a photo that he took that he placed on his Instagram account earlier this week. Now, people, we're going to watch a few clips and we're going to elaborate on the situation. Let's check this out.
Yeah, man, I say no up top, boss. I represent DanceHall Bomb. Hey, DanceHall Bomb. I bet we fuck up in ya.
Now, people, me see likes of Pinkwall, various TikTok account, various vloggers going around with the narrative that Mavado took a fishy picture. Now, people, the man take a photograph and he placed it on his own Instagram account. What I try to say, Mavado is an openly gay person. None of you stop them thing, you know. You can notice the man at the VIP section, the cameraman the outside of the section, he took the picture from a distance, so the angle him dip on, it look away. You understand? Mavado no love man. You ever see Mavado I sing about freakiness in music and all them something there? Mavado is a straight man. Now people if you stop try get people upon phone side of world, you understand? Some on the vlogger if you stop it. The man take a photograph and you can see at the angle where the man take the picture from, make it look that way there. Obviously, nice in the background, whole heap of people did it, the man no want nobody hear with them a discuss. The man place a caption under the picture discussing business about his tour in Paris. I don't see nobody with the caption Mavado I do good in Paris, and the clips are there where my shell long show in Paris and all of them thing there. Stop trying to defame the youth character by mixing him up in an official business. All on the vlogger will post that little content there on in a fully reverse. Fully. Gully God is a principle man. Them artists that mislead youths. You understand? The furthest Mavado will take it is sing a violent track, but otherwise it's a God-fearing youth. Mavado is not an openly gay person, so no stop rejoice and stop going like on the field say the man a try push a certain narrative upon people. No, at the cameraman take the photo at an angle, the man are discussing business in a private, you can tell say nice in the era because them a fear whisper, you understand? Cut that out, man. Now, people, earlier this week, Romeich Entertainment took to Instagram where he posted a job fair where he was inviting Jamaicans to pay $1,000 and come and seek a job where they could definitely showcase their skills in the designing area, marketing area, all these various media outlet jobs that people are seeking that can't really find a job in that field in the industry right now. Romeich was definitely giving people some form of hope, but however, you have to pay. A lot of people were saying this man is definitely a scammer. Enough people are saying money man look. Some people was definitely willing to pay the $1,000 because you don't know people really want a job, so then we try if you spend a little thing and so I come out of it. But people, a lot of people never really go with him. You understand? You have people like Prettidon have something to say. So I'm making hear Prettidon have to say, then we elaborate upon the situation. Check this out.
DanceHall bomb. We know we are general. We don't need nobody to tell us we are general. A flipper mag like the Flossing King represent DanceHall bomb. Tune in, log on. You hear me say? Murder.
Romeich, you one of them blood clot rich man they way. You want waste, a scum of the blood clot earth. You understand me? If anybody know what is a job fair is always free. An opportunity for you who are, how would I put it? You are that accomplished. You who are accomplished in this area. Say you have a job fair for a certain area or areas. Say you have 10, 12 areas, but this job fair is for these areas, and you are very much accomplished in the ear department. You are very much accomplished in the fingernail department. Whatever department you are accomplished in it. Probably you have a degree, probably you went to school for it, probably you don't have a degree, but you are very, very accomplished in it where you are certified in certain ways. Right? Boom. Job fairs are free because they are giving these people opportunities to be better and make more money. Why they are making it free? These people are less fortunate, but they are accomplished in certain ways and areas. So they allow them to come in and show what they have. Show what they have and what they can do for a certain organization. One thing me can tell you about Romeich. Romeich is a opportunist, more than call it. Them boy you bleed the blood clot system. Them boy you bleed poor people. You understand what I say? If you rich and I gonna give people opportunity to make thousands or millions or whatever amount of money them are gonna make for the year, what you have to collect from these people? Remember, you have probably 20 areas that you are issuing jobs to. You are looking at a crowd of people who are very accomplished in all of these departments. So probably you're going to have 120 or 30 or 40 or probably 50 hairdressers, 85 hairdressers. You're going to have 90 comedians, all of these people. All of these people are going to give you $1,000 each. These people are paying you to eat.
Now people, that's the opinion of Prettidon, popular social media blogger. There you go. She's definitely letting it be known to Mr. Romeich Entertainment that what you're doing is quite unfair, and she doesn't buy into that. Now people, Romeich came to social media and spoke up on a recent interview, people, so let's hear what he has to say and we'll elaborate on the situation right afterwards.
DanceHall bomb, enough of them represent fear, you know them dead.
You know, you have to understand media, and if you know, me's a marketing genius. Nah, really say Ray, but we know that. We've seen the work that I've done. You see, with Jamaicans, if you put on something that you're doing something free, you have two things. You have to be bombarded by people that don't make sense, and then the people that make sense, I say, why am I doing something free? I'm not interested. You get me? I say, the only thing about this that bothers me is that people say I'm a scammer. For someone that has done so much for the culture and for the people, what could I be scamming people $1,000? I'm a popular manager, businessman, marketer. My income is strong. I don't need to do that to people, and I've used my own money and developed schools, people I don't even know. It's a deal. I can't recall one day that I don't give away something. So that was the only thing in that one I say was very disrespectful, and I really feel away for some people that say that. But there was never ever a charge that I was going to charge. As I say, when I come in and people just walk in, it's not a charge. You get me? I say, this execution is costing me roughly about $350,000. And I am only here to do maybe 400 to 500 people for interview. I don't see my team doing more than that for the day. Although so far we're here in the first 45 minutes and we have over 70 to 100 people already here. But Jamaican I need for wise up. This is not a money thing. I make my money off of entertainment and working with corporate and keeping my events. And if you have sense, you notice my two biggest parties, my birthday party, the entry fee is free. You buy liquor. Water World, the entry fee is $2,000 and you drink free. So why is it that now me will keep something of a caliber where looking staff and better in people and they're not gonna tell me say, even if I wanted to charge $1,000, so what? What is it to look, and if why maybe wouldn't never like the wording, but if I did say $1,000 for processing fee, you wouldn't say nothing. Or suppose I did say, hey, we're keeping a job party where you come and you get entertainment and you pay $1,000 to enter and you might get a job. It's the same thing. But because you put part and say, oh, $1,000 entry fee, where everybody want blah language. I was shocked. I see people attack my girl, I see people attack my family, I see people say that, and it trust me, if me was a person like this to follow people, the amount of people I say, yo, don't keep it, don't this, but me know what me that do. You get me? I say, people email the ministry, so the ministry just send a letter coming in, say I'm approved to go ahead and do what I'm doing, because in the email that I sent to them, asking to go ahead to do this, there was nothing in it said I was charging the people. So I just show and say, no, because a man come and put say have one Chris car up on the media, means say the car, Chris. You know, see engine. It could be the shell. Remember say most women put filter for them look good, you meet them a road and then none of makeup and a different something. So we have to understand say certain things one can ask and reason it out rather than bash it and disrespect people who are on the country and the culture. You get me I say? And that's the thing when I show with Jamaican. I'm going to say Jamaican because I defend Jamaica more than anything else. That's the biggest thing when I say we as ourselves, instead of a couple people message me and say, Romeich, give me an idea how this go. I don't agree with it, I don't respect it. You want to come now and say the man a scam and the man a thief and the man go on vacation with him woman and trust me, I true we don't want to sound hard and sound harsh, but I'm solid, I don't need them something to do what I do. And I tell you, so the grace of God and my blessing. Sometimes I don't understand how I reach us up, but I reach us up and I just love what I have and the kindness of my heart and I do certain things. Because if me to get up and say I done this and I not do this. Enough people go up on me and say no, I have job space for 11 years. I have job space for 150 persons. As well as my other business associates are asking me to look staff for them. And how I'm doing this is that I'm going to choose who I want for my team and I'm going to pass over those connections and I'm going to filter it up. I'm going to say, okay, I interview 10 persons that are drivers, looking at this person and checking out this person is a good driver, this person is a good driver, but him have only a ticket, this a person, and filter it out so I can put to my team and say, listen, I did not choose this person, but I think they're second best. You understand? These are things where, come on people, you cannot pay me for this either. It's not like so we just come and do something and done. You filter things where, and you know the beauty with it? No problem. Within now to December, you always see it. Because I'm going to make sure, show no new people in my work. I'm going to make them people like you know, a little bio to say, yo, come today, I'm this and that and that, me I don't know. I'm going to understand because one to one have to sit things to believe it. You get everything.
Yeah, no, Romeich, better never come out and say nothing towards this problem because they make Prettidon look 100% right now, even though me there say 90 a while ago. Because you say the people them for pay X amount of money to get a job in the field where them qualify for, and these are professionals, you know them need job to feed them family, and you're gonna see a pranky they run. So how much people go to get your money already and take your pocket here. I hope you have a job to give them, you know. I hope I don't joke thing you deal with. I see a few people in the comment section and say you want them money to go buy a car for your son, which you buy a Honda for your son for his birthday. I don't know if for the money you really want. From the people them to pay for this gift or what. No man, you lose credibility with this. Maybe you have good intentions, you want to give really people a job in the field where them qualify for, but a lot of people around you right now need a job and them can't get a job. So I don't know you promise a public job. I know say thousands of people are coming in with thousands and you know how much money that you get off for the poor people them. Come on man, you have to fix up this. You really lose credibility in the public eyes, you understand? But people, you don't know for them thing, you know. And they must know they want to mash down them legacy with them bill, you understand? Now people, we've reached the end of another brand new show. If you're not yet a member of this fraternity, please like, subscribe, share this channel, turn on your notification post. Whenever I upload the next episode, you will be notified. Now people, I wish you the best of luck throughout the week. I'm out.